Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Walmart login error. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply force close your Walmart application and then simply go ahead and reopen it. This will go ahead and help it, but if it still doesn't, then you want to simply go ahead and head into your settings, head into general, then scroll all the way down to transfer or reset and click on reset and reset network settings and also reset all settings. Once you've done that, it should be fixed. However, if it still isn't, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and uninstall the application and reinstall the application, and it should go ahead and fix it. It could also be your internet connection, so try toggling between your cellular data and your Wi-Fi to understand if it is really your Wi-Fi. You can also turn on your airplane mode and then simply turn it off after 5 to 10 seconds to give it that quick refresh. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.